We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide in Midnight Blue. So it is this beautiful dark blue color, almost black, and it has the lighter blue flake in it. Such a pretty color. The rest of the bike is chrome detailing. We have the Screamin' Eagle intake, rider floorboards and passenger pegs. We have the 2-up seat and locking saddlebags. We have engine guards up in the front. We also have a helmet lock on the side and this really nice Harley-Davidson Motor Co. Derby cover. We run on a fob, so we are keyless, and miles are only 8,325. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.